This week we head northwest across the top of Spain to the desert badlands of Bardenas Reales. With epic, untouched scenery, this could be one of Spain's best kept secrets. Subscribe and come along with us with new videos every Sunday. Everybody, well, the last few days we made our way north, and now we're in Bardenas Reales. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. I think it is. The desert, yeah. Sort of northwest of Zaragoza. It's a 43-kilometre route around a national park, and most of it's gravel roads and things like that. So Jules is getting a bit of a workout this morning. Here in the van to look round, and you're travelling in the van and such like. You can't wild camp in the park. It'd be amazing if you could. I think it's like €1,000 fine or something if you caught wild camping in the park. There is an air near Arguides, but just up from there. And if I remember, I'll put a link in the description. If I don't, then just message us. But just up from there, just outside the national park, there's a really cool spot in the park. So drop us a message, drop us a comment, and I'll send you some link for that.
So we have to take this little track to find this monument, or is it something that we're going to see?
No, it's like a mirador, viewpoint over thing.
A viewpoint, anyway. So we have to take this little track, and it's a tiny little track for Jules. I'm hoping that we can get down this track okay, because it's getting skinnier and skinnier and bumpier as we go along.
And there's nowhere to turn around.
Yeah, and there's nowhere to turn around. God, it's getting harder and harder to get down this road. So if one dirt track wasn't enough, now we have an even skinnier dirt track to try and navigate with no civilization for miles and miles and miles. Are we nearly there yet, Alan?
2k, so
2k?
I'm not even sure this is the right way.
Oh my god, we've probably just spent the last hour driving down a dirt track, and it might not even be the right way. I hope we don't need to go shopping in the next few hours, because look at this place. I mean, have you ever seen anything more incredible as this? Amazing. I can't see a house in the distance. I can't see any sign of life for absolutely miles and miles and miles and miles. All I can see is desert land and cliffs and crevices. Just spectacular. It was worth coming down that dirt track. I just hope we can get back out of it, but I mean, look at this, it's just amazing.
Go on then, let's go find some roads.
So
is the one now. Going downhill quite steep.
Alan says we have to go downhill to get back onto the actual route, or a decent road. So we're now attempting to go down this mammoth hill. So we think we've got to cross over that to get onto a road, but over there doesn't look like a road either. So he's just gone to see if it actually does turn into anything other than a lot of gravel and rubble. So he's coming back and he's giving me some kind of sign language. Like I'm supposed to know what that means. Does it mean it's safe to drive over that rubble and there is a road somewhere past there? I have no idea. He's gone to find out. So the outcome of Alan's little adventure down that track is that it's way too bad, so we are not able to get out that way, which means the only way back up is up that really steep hill that we've just come down. I don't know that we're going to get up it. I'm a bit scared now because there is no other way out. That road leads to nowhere, just nothing. That is too bumpy, just not passable. So the only way is back up. I'm actually really scared.
So we've got to get up there. We've come this way, but it's not passable. So now we've got to get back up there.
This might be one of those moments where I abandon ship and jump out of the van, which won't be the first time. Actually quite scary, guys, because it is really, really steep, and I was worried about coming down, never mind going up.
Yeah, that's the trouble, it's not four-wheel drive this. Got good tyres on it, but...
I mean, we get up and down mountains okay, but they are proper roads.
Okay.
This is quite scary.
Let's see if we can do this.
Come on, Jules. I'm just going to close my eyes.
It's going to get a bit of speed up.
Oh my god, don't go fast, we're on a cliff edge. Come on, Jules. Come on, Jules. Oh my god. Oh, my heart's in my mouth. Come on, Jules. Oh, look over the side. No, look over the side. Oh my god, I think I'm sick. Oh, come on, Jules. Nearly there. Nearly there. Yes!
You know what that is?
Beast!
That's caught on Miller remapping for you.
What a beast!
We beasted it up there.
Oh my gosh, that was scary.
Heyo.
That's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
What is that?
It's limestone, sandstone, something like that, is it?
That's incredible.
They filmed a lot of the Game of Thrones stuff here from Dothraki stuff in the desert.
Yeah, you can actually see it, can't you?
worth doing. Yeah, definitely worth it. In the summer, I can imagine it's absolutely baking. So if you come in the summer, make sure you bring plenty of water, because it'll be really hot.
Every view from every different part of the park is just incredible. There's some epic views.
Yeah.
You could literally spend the whole day just driving around, stopping.
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
There's little pathways and little driveways to little different things. There's so many, you just can't do them all. But we're like, where does that one go? Where does that one go? Should we go and have a look down there?
I've not been to the US or anything like that, but it's it reminds me of Arizona for pictures, Monument Valley and that sort of thing. Next week we head over Andorra and back into France. Hit the subscribe and notification button to stay up to date with all our adventures. See you next week.